How to use Inkscape. This can be really satisfied with what we're gonna see, because it's really important to deal it with the progress that we have to realize with scan. Really satisfied with that. So what we're gonna start to understand is to open Inkscape and explore the interface. We have to see this, it's really the face of the object that we have, or the background that we play on it, but these are two objectives that we have. So use tools like shapes, text, and faces, which is really on the left corner over here, but I just made like this. It will be like this when you open. You can extend it and see all tools at once. Also, you save your work in SVG and export it on PNG and practice it with a design projects. So whenever you save, you're gonna start to file and then save as, and it started to save your sites. And then also you're gonna start to go to export and save it when you export. And that is all about.